Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back for another video today. Today's video, I am going to be putting together a new laundry basket that I got on Wayfair. And then, of course, I'll be placing it in the area of my room that I would like it to be set up. So let's get started. All right, so as you guys can see, currently, taking the box, taking the actual laundry basket out of the box at the moment. It's a little bit heavy. Don't mind my living room or anything like that, but it wasn't that bad. It was super easy, right? Right, so now I'm gonna unwrap everything, take the actual laundry basket out of the plastic that it came in so you guys can see I threw the box away. Now I'm just taking it out the plastic at the moment. It wasn't that bad to handle. I mean, it seems super quick. All right, pretty color, pretty nice color, nice natural neutral color, right? So as you see right now, it just looks like a regular rectangle looking thing. All right, so now I'm gonna open up the basket into the actual rectangular shape. It looks like everything came inside of it. So the little rack is the base rack, and then those little white squares that you see, they're the actual bags that is supposed to be like 3 bags that divides the actual laundry basket. So I take that out for the moment, and I'm going to put the base, because the base is what's going to hold the shape of the actual laundry basket as a whole. Put the 3 laundry baskets in, right, hook them up. There were actually hooks inside of the basket that was easy for me to see exactly where they need to be hooked onto. So it was very, very straightforward. It wasn't rocket science. I didn't realize until after that the instructions was inside of one of these bags, but as you guys can see, I figured out how to put it together all by myself. So I really didn't even need the instructions anyway. How funny is that? Right, so the whole thing is set. Look, I now discovered the instructions. All right, gonna close it shut, bring it back a little bit so that way you guys can see what it looks like. I do like the way that it looks. I love the color. It is really, really nice and cute. All right, just to show you guys, all right, one last look. Just to show you guys that section, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see if I can just label each section of the bags, maybe put towels, darks, and whites, just so that it's labeled and it looks a little bit more functional and cute. So now here we are in my room. As you guys can see, I have a little functional stand over there where I keep everything a little bit more organized. That was actually a little corner book rack that I kind of revamped and made it into a little more functional area with a cute little wall decor. I decided to put the laundry basket next to it because I wanted it to, at that space is where I really wanted to make it more useful. I thought it was a really great idea that I did it and I put it in that area. Don't mind me, guys. I was trying a little moment of decor. I have to take that off. All right, I pulled it out. This is what it looks like in the final area that I wanted to look. I'm just going to give you guys a closer look on how it looks. Super cute, functional. And like I said, I'm going to try to put some labels on there to kind of differentiate between the light, the dark, and the towels. But I love it. Like I said, I saw it on Wayfair. I am actually going to drop the link below of where I got it on Wayfair, so that way if you guys do want it, you guys looking for something that's functional as well, you can do the same. It went with my room. I love the accent idea, so this is the approach that I went with. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, of course, give a little thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and there will be more videos to come as the time goes on. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.